In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font style in Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your app's typography using Lovable's built-in assistant, so your body text and headings look clean, consistent, and on brand. First, open the Lovable dashboard. This is your home base where you can access every app you're building. If you're already signed in, you'll land right on the home view. If not, sign in and you'll be taken there automatically. From here, you'll see controls for navigating your work. Next, select all projects. This reveals the full list of projects associated with your account. It's a simple way to ensure you're working on the correct app, especially if you manage multiple builds or variations. Now, click the specific project you want to update. Opening the project loads its workspace and editor context, which is where global changes, like typography, are applied. Give it a second to load everything, especially if your project is large or has many assets. Inside the project, look for the Ask Lovable interface. This is Lovable's conversational assistant that can make sweeping, code-aware changes across your app based on plain language instructions. It's designed for tasks exactly like this, so you don't have to dig through settings or style sheets manually. In the prompt area, type, change the entire app font to Inter and make headings use pop-ins. This instruction tells Lovable to set Inter as the default typeface for body and UI text, while assigning pop-ins to heading elements such as H1 through H6. Inter is a highly legible sans serif that works beautifully for interfaces, and pop-ins adds personality and structure to titles, creating a clear visual hierarchy. If these fonts aren't already available in your project, Lovable typically handles the imports and updates the styles accordingly. If you ever prefer different typefaces, you can swap the names in that sentence without changing the workflow. Submit your instruction by pressing Enter or using the Send control. Lovable will parse your request, update the relevant theme or style tokens, and apply the change project-wide. You should see the new fonts reflected across your app's views as the styles propagate. This may take a moment, and that's normal. A couple of quick tips as you review the results. Check both light and dark modes if your project uses them, confirm that heading sizes remain readable with the new font's proportions, and keep an eye on any components that rely on tight spacing, since different fonts have different metrics. That's it. Navigate to the dashboard, open all projects, choose your project, ask Lovable for the typography change, and submit. You've just streamlined your app's look with a single clear instruction.